And getting you some breaking news at the top of 8:30 p.m. UP State Minister and Chairman of Labour Welfare Board, Sunil Barana, has written to Home Minister Amit Shah seeking a ban on the radical outfit PFI. In his letter, the UP Minister has demanded a strict ban on PFI in India. Listen in to what he had to say.
देखिए, हमने मांग की है और पत्र हमने भारत सरकार के गृह मंत्री माननीय अमित शाह जी को लिख रहे हैं इसको लेकर के कि ये संगठन जो है निश्चित रूप से बिल्कुल इसकी असामाजिक और आतंकी गतिविधि प्रतीत हो रही है। और पहले आप देख रहे होंगे कि सिमी नाम का एक संगठन चलता था जो देश में उपद्रव फैलाने का काम करता था और आतंकी गतिविधियों में शामिल पाए गए थे। कई जगह धमाकों में वो लोग मिले थे। इसी तर्ज पर ये जो है पीएफआई के जो संगठन बना हुआ है ये उसका डुप्लीकेट लग रहा है कि सिमी के लोग सब पीएफआई आ गए हैं। तो ये पहले केरल में था, अब उत्तर प्रदेश की कई घटनाओं में, और सबसे पहले जो इसके सादे सबूत दिखाई दे रहे थे वो सीए आंदोलन जब चल रहा था उस समय काफ़ी दिखाई दिया था। तो मैं निश्चित रूप से भारत सरकार के गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी से मांग करूंगा कि तत्काल प्रभाव से इस पर प्रतिबंध लगाने का काम करना चाहिए।
And of course, important developments coming in. The UP State Minister and Chairman of the Labour Welfare Board, Sunil Barana, has written to Home Minister Amit Shah. My colleague Samarth is on the phone lines with us. Samarth, we're just finding out that this letter was sent to Home Minister Amit Shah seeking a ban on the radical outfit PFI. What's the latest you're picking up on this?
Well, exactly. We spoke to Sunil Barana, the State Minister of Uttar Pradesh. He clearly stated that he is very, very miffed with the role of PFI in almost every riot taking place in India. There is a role of PFI, be it in, especially in UP, be it in Hathras, or be it in that anti-CA riots taking place in Lucknow and Delhi as well. There was an evident role of PFI, because of which many arresting took place. So he was very miffed and said, why can't we ban this particular organization? And for that, he has sternly demanded the ban of PFI, Popular Front of India, and also written a letter to the Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, seeking ban of this particular outfit, which is also misspreading information and making religious sentiments at top, affecting the youth of India to do work against India and in a way affect the national security of the country. So that's why he has demanded and written a letter to the Home Minister of India, Amit Shah. So it's a very serious thing coming from UP State Minister, as now we can see the ministers of this particular state all over India, the voices have started raising with the rise of cases in the name of PFI. Yes.
Many thanks for providing us with all that information developing coming in. But the latest right now is that the UP State Minister and Chairman of Labour Welfare Board, Sunil Barana, has written to Home Minister Amit Shah seeking a ban on the radical outfit PFI. We'll be tracking the story for you and getting you the latest coming in.